Good morning all. I am Dr. Dhoniba Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about 36th session of Biochemistry, which is Chemistry 8th, or it is also called as a paper 8th, belongs to Metabolism of 6th semester BSc. In this session, I am going to discuss about urea cycle. Urea cycle. What is mean by urea cycle and what are the steps involved in the urea cycle, that I have to discuss in this session detailed. Now first one is what is mean by urea cycle. Unlike carbohydrates or lipids, that is unlike carbohydrates or lipids, nitrogenous containing compounds, it is very important, nitrogenous containing compounds cannot be stored. Like carbohydrates can be stored, lipids can be stored in the body, but nitrogenous containing compounds cannot be stored in the body. Excess nitrogen which is indigested by the organism must be excreted in the form of a cycle that is called as a urea cycle. Here in the form of urea, that is called as a urea cycle. Therefore excess nitrogen is indigested by the organism, must be excreted. Urea is synthesized from ammonia. Urea is synthesized or it is prepared from ammonia exclusively in the liver, by the urea cycle. Therefore here usually during the process ammonia will be liberated in the metabolic activity. That ammonia combined with that is the other group and it form that is a urea. Therefore urea is synthesized from ammonia exclusively, this is exclusively in the liver by urea cycle and secreted into the blood, the kidneys then excrete urea through urine. It should be a kidney, it remove the urea, that is a nitrogen, that is ammonia in the form of urine. The kidney excrete or remove the urea in the form of wastewater or in the form of urine. The urea cycle was discovered by, that is a Krebs and Hensley. This has 5 enzymatic steps. The first 2 of which are takes place in mitochondria, while other 3 are occur in the cytoplasm. The significance of the urea cycle is that the ammonia, it is what is the main significance is nothing but formation of ammonia, and ammonia is combined and it form that is a urea and that can be excreted. That is the main, that is the significance. The significance of urea is that ammonia, it is a highly toxic nitrogenous product, is rapidly converted into a non-toxic product. It should be converted into non-toxic product, that is the urea, which is highly in nitrogenous content 47%. Urea is then nitrogenous excretory product, accounting for about 86% of nitrogenous components in urine. The creatinine makes up to, that is a 5%, and ammonium ion about, that is 3%, and other compounds make, that is a 6%. Ammonia is toxic to human at a blood concentration of 5 ml per 100 ml. 5 ml per 500 ml. It is very toxic for, that is human beings. Therefore that can be excreted and that will be discussed one by one in this session. Now come to, that is here involved, that is I told, that is 5 steps. Out of 5 steps, 2 steps are nothing but it is present in the mitochondria, and later that is 3 steps are nothing but present in, that is cytoplasm. Now let us discuss one by one. First is nothing but formation of carbonyl phosphate. Here first one is ammonium ion and bicarbonate. In presence of, that is 2 molecules of the ATP, and in presence of carbamyl phosphatase, carbamyl phosphate synthetase as an enzyme in which these molecules will be combined with each other and to form, that is what is that, carbamyl phosphate. In this process the formation of carbonyl phosphate means carboamyl phosphate will be formed with liberation of two ADP plus phosphate group will be a separate. It is a PI means that is inorganic phosphate, or the PO3 that is PO4 minus 3 that will be here, and that is here two molecules of adenosine diphosphate will be formed, that is a triphosphate to diphosphate will be formed, and with liberation of that is a phosphate, and one phosphate group will be a condense here. One condense, what is that here? Carboamyl. This is the carboamyl phosphate will be formed. This is the first step. Second step, what it form? The formation of citrulline. It is another that is important compound. It is formed, that is citrulline. How it is formed? Here, to formation of the citrulline, ornithine is the another reactant is required. When ornithine is the present in the metabolism, that will be get that is product from other bigradation, and that will be combined with that is a carboamyl phosphate. It is a form in the first step. This will be combined in presence of that is a ornithine transcarbamylase. Transcarbamylase. This is the enzyme in which this will be joined, and it is liberated, that is a phosphate group will be liberated. Phosphate group will be liberated, and this will be here this combined and to form that is a citrulline. Citrulline is this is the structure of that is a citrulline. Now come to that is the third step. Synthesis of argininosuccinate. How that is synthesis of argininosuccinate. Now citrulline here, citrulline is there, react with that is a aspartate. Citrulline is react with aspartate to in presence of that is the argininosuccinate synthetase, in presence of the ATP to form that is ATP is converted into AMP, that is adenosine monophosphate, and pyrophosphate will be a form, and here in which it converted into argininosuccinate. This group will be condensed here, argininosuccinate will be a form. Therefore, citrulline is converted into argininosuccinate by reacting with aspartate as a that is a amino acid, alpha amino acid, in presence of the argininosuccinate synthetase as a enzyme, and that is a adenosine triphosphate as a reactant to form that is a adenosine monophosphate plus pyrophosphate will be formed. Then fourth step, these are the three, fourth step is nothing but cleavage of argininosuccinate. How it is cleaved, and these are the from the third onwards, no, this step will be involved in that is a cytoplasm, and these two are involved in the that is a mitochondria. Okay, now here this is the third, it is a form that is argininosuccinate, and then fourth one is nothing but cleavage of that is a argininosuccinate. Wow, it is cleaved and formation of that is a arginine and fumarate. Argininosuccinate undergo a argininosuccinate lyase. It break down lyase. Lyase means that is breaking the bond, and to form that is a arginine with fumarate will be a form. It is a fumarate will be a form. This is the dicarbonic acid. Fumarate will be a form. This is the fourth step, and fifth step is nothing but conversion of arginine form in that is a fifth step, that will be also converted into that is a urea. How it is converted into urea? This is undergo a arginino in hydrolysis arginase. It form that is a breakdown here takes place, breakdown here, and to form that is a urea here, and ornithine is the separate. Ornithine again that is remains as it is in the mitochondria or the cytoplasm, in cytoplasm, and urea will be a that is another product, and it is a highly nitrogenous containing compound. It will be a form. Now coming that is calculation of the energy. In this during the urea cycle, the total 4 molecules of the ATP produced in the urea cycle. Therefore, the ATP is nothing but 4 molecules. Simply we say that is how much energy is liberated means 4 molecules of the ATP will be liberated in this cycle. The short the cyclic that is precise I say that is cycle here I will summarized here. I so far discussed here in this first steps the ammonium, this is the cycle will be there. You can also write that is a urea cycle, means this like also you will get that is a full mass. Otherwise you can write that is a steps, 5 steps you can be able to write. Which one is the better, which one is the you have to compare, you can write, you will get that is a full mass. Okay, here ammonium ion plus that is bicarbonate plus 2 molecules of the ATP, carboamine, phosphatase, phosphate synthetase. This is the first step to form that is a here this phospho carboamine phosphate group will be formed, and from this it again further it form react with that is a two it will be formed that is that is adenosine diphosphate plus phosphate, and this is further it is inserted from this the urea cycle will be begin, and it is formed that is a two. Here ornithine will be there, ornithine trans amylase trans carboamylase, it is react with this and to form that is a citrulline. Citrulline will be formed, and then this citrulline is further it is treating with ATP and argininosuccinate synthetase as a reactant inversions to form that is here again react with it is a mix with that is a aspartase it form that is a here the argininosuccinate. During this process the byproduct will be that is AMP plus pyrophosphate will be formed, and this argininosuccinate it is further that is undergo a argininosuccinase as an enzyme, and it form that is a fumarate. It is undergo a fumarase that is breaking, and during this the arginine will be formed, and this arginine further it is undergo a hydrolysis to form that is a urea and that is a ornithine. Again this ornithine is combined with that is a again repeated came from that is carboamide phosphate, and this cycle is continuing. This cycle is called that is a urea cycle, in which totally that is a urea molecule is the end product, and from that urea the urea will be removed from the liver, from the kidney in the form of urine or in the form of wastewater. And so far I discussed in this session that is a simple urea cycle, and I hope you have that is perfectly understood everything. Thank you.